How to add fade transitions to text in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and go to the edit page where you have your timeline. Select the text clip you want to add the fade transition to. If you haven't created a text clip yet, you can do this by going to the effects library. Then under titles, drag the text plus effect onto your timeline. Next, click on the text clip to highlight it and then open the inspector panel on the right side. In the inspector, scroll down to find the settings for opacity. This is where you can control the transparency of your text over time. To create the fade effect, move the playhead to the start of the text clip, click the diamond icon next to opacity to add the keyframe, and set the opacity value to 0. Then move the playhead forward about 1 second or to the point where you want to fade in to complete. Add another keyframe and set opacity to 100. For the fade out, move the playhead to the point near the end of the text clip. Add a keyframe with opacity at 100, then move it to the very end of the clip and add a final keyframe with opacity set back to 0. This creates a smooth fade out transition. And that's it. Now you know how to add fade transitions to text in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.